Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to 2x squared plus 5. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x squared, we have 2x. This one, that is about the constant. So you got 0. So we have for s dx dv, that is about this one. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative number 3 e to the power of negative s over 3. So we have u multiplied by v, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so number 4 with negative number 3, so we have negative number 12, negative and negative, we have positive number 12, and we have the integration from 0 to number 1, s e to the power of negative s over 3 ds. So I will put number 1 going here, number 0 going here. So if we simplify this one, we have number 7. 7 with number 3, we have 21. This one we have number 1. This one we have number 0. So number 5 with number 3, we have 15. Now we use about integration by parts again. So I will put about u equals to s, the u equals to the s, dv, we have about this one. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to negative number 3 e to the power of negative s over 3. So the integration of this one, we have u multiplied by v, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so negative number 3 with negative in here, we have positive number 3, and we have the integration from 0 to number 1, and we have this one and this one. So I will put number 1 and number 0 going here. The integration of this one, we have negative number 3e to the power of negative s over 3, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So this one we have negative number 3, this one we cancel. We put number 1 and number 0 going here. Next, number 12 multiplied by this one and this one. So this one we have negative number 12. So this one we have negative 144 e to the power of negative 1 over 3. And number 12 and number 9 we have 108. So if we simplify this one, so we have 123 negative number 21 negative 144. So we have negative 165. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.